Good morning, babes. How are you doing today, babes? Hopefully your insides don't feel like they're rotting as much as mine do right now. I hope you're all doing well. Maybe you're hungover watching this one. I knew I wanted to film a morning routine this morning. I wasn't expecting it to be a hungover morning routine. It's a new day, fresh feelings, fresh health. I'm supposed to be going to a festival today. Molly May event last night, which, by the way, congratulations, Molly, you superstar. What a woman, more than a woman. Ahoy! I was at the Molly May Pretty Little Thing event last night, and a free bar is a very dangerous game. Went to a club and ended the night with all my rings on, asleep in my bed, still with a full face of makeup on. I don't want to talk about it, but I do, because I'm young, wild, free. I got volume in my hair. Okay, first step. I've never seen something look more inviting in my life. Healed. I lied. I'm not healed. I think my brain potentially could be rattling. Need to go shot. Is anyone else's face just swell when you're hungover? My hair smells like mangoes. Let that man go. Let that fucking man go, cool. So girly pops, I'm really excited to announce that this next little bit of the video is sponsored by my babes. Had to make sure my address wasn't there. Nasty Gal. I went onto the Nasty Gal website recently and picked up a few new little bits, you know. I'm a sucker for new clothes. I don't think there's any day in the whole calendar year. Why did I just have to think about how many days are in the year? Ooh! In all those 365 days, new clothes delivery day is always gonna be my favourite. That clap was a lot. Another key part of my hungover routines, which is a new thing recently, is I have to be on FaceTime to someone for the entire day. The other day I FaceTimed Lewis when I was going through a pretty rough one. I had a 2-hour nap and I woke up and we were still on FaceTime. Bless the boy, he puts up with a lot. Baby, I've got a little surprise for you today. You're a lucky boy. You're gonna look at all my clothes with me.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, you are. This is the first top. It basically like crosses over like that. Really cute, yeah. I haven't even told you why I'm calling you. I need you to pick an outfit for me today. Is that okay?
My styling expertise.
Yeah. Where are you? I am obsessed with this dress. I've actually already tried it on. It's a long black dress and, okay, descriptions. I always think in YouTube hauls, when they pick it up, they're like, so it's this black dress. And I'm like, honey, you can see. Imagine if in YouTube hauls you just stood there and did a 360 spin, no words.
Oh, like, or like an ASMR, so it's just like the feet movement. Like, it's just like.
I think your second channel needs a rebrand with that. So it crosses over here. It's got this really nice like sort of tie detail there. Cute. I think
it's good that it's black because you're a mucky pop. You'd get stains all over you if it was white.
You radiate mucky pop energy. This one time, Lewis cried so hard when he was drunk, he snotted all over his t-shirt and his t-shirt.
No need to say that.
This next top here, I wore on my Instagram story recently with a little black skirt. I'm gonna show you. And you guys went crazy for it. It looks like a dress when it's on. It's this beautiful boned black corset once again because I'm a mucky pop. Then we have a classic. Just a big leather blazer, babe. Black leather blazer. Black strappy heel, leather trousers, little top.
Hair up.
Hair up, big goatee. I'm so pale, it's making me feel nauseous. Next up on the list, we have, babe, a failsafe.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah, just a classic little white crop. I really like Nasty Gal's vests because they're not see-through as well. So there's one montaña de nipple on show.
I like the ribbon.
Thanks, babe. I like you too. She's got a little blue going on.
Mmm.
You're going to make your gums bleed.
Scrum gums.
Next up, we have this gorgeous little blue ruche dress. So you can cinch it up as well, which I really like because I'm so teeny tiny.
I like that.
Put me in your pocket.
I wish my dad happy birthday and he just replied, "Ta." Alright.
Groovy. movie time, baby.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah! She's a salsa dancer.
She's exciting.
She is excited. She's the moment. Next up, I'm obsessed with this dress. It's okay. Wow, look. Okay, give me absolutely nothing. This halter neck, like black. It's a really nice material actually. So it ties around your neck like that. Really cute. I feel like these are really in at the moment. And then it's a really low back.
Yeah, I'm giving you scenes, I'm giving you angles, I'm giving you set location change.
Yeah. Next up, we have this black, once again, just the classic ribbed little top. And
an essential, a staple in the wardrobe.
Baby boy, just you wait, because you're in for a little treat right now. I'm gonna have to see my bum editing this back, because I've not got any trousers on. Black leather trousers! Yeah!
Oh my god, why do they need it so instantly? Like, what's going on? Like, what is so urgent?
You'll be at the fact you probably can't go on holiday if they don't have it.
Give me two. I've got a picture of it. I just need to find a picture.
Here are some little rings that I got.
Hang on.
Look at them, they're so cute. I love them. And then I also got these sunnies.
Oh my god!
Yay! They're so fun. I wore these on my story the other day and I was getting so many questions about where they're from. And I think they're really funky, I won't lie.
Flossie, look at this t-shirt. How was my serve? Perfect. I'm thinking the black leather trousers.
Yeah.
The black top. The
Yeah.
gold hoops. Classic, simple, you can't go wrong.
The sunnies, the rings.
Yes.
Okay, gorgeous. Okay, well babe, thank you so much. It's been an absolute pleasure.
No problem, I'm glad I could help.
Oh, have a lovely day by yourself.
Be on my own.
Are you getting it?
A self-care day.
Are you getting it?
Yes. I feel like it's too small though. No, I'm good.
What are you... Yeah.
I wish it was on the front though, not back.
Okay, that is quite enough of this. Why is it shaped Coca-Cola?
Yeah, that's, the only thing I don't like is that it says Coca-Cola on the front, but I feel like the back is too good to let go of.
Yeah, true. Okay, babe, I'm really proud of you. Happy charity shopping.
Bye,
Love you, bye. Now that is what I call healing. Okay, girly pops, I'm gonna slap some makeup on my face so I look a little bit less dead. And I'll catch you on the flip side when I'm all styled. As of Louis Ball. If he thinks he's getting any sort of payment or compensation for that, he's got another thing coming. Quick interlude. I'm a super silly little girl and my brain cells are all over the place this morning. I am sorry. This morning, really have the nerve to say this morning. It's 2 o'clock. Oh! These. Once again, I wore these on my Instagram story the other day and you guys went crazy for these shoes and I think the cutest little shoes ever. Oh, would you look at this? I also noticed when these came that they've got this really cool little like gold hard wearing feature bit on the back. A white strappy heel. Can you go wrong? I'm so impressed with the quality of these shoes as well. They're really, really nice. These are just so cute. Okay, actual outfit time now. Ooh, she's fresh, she's fierce, she's classic. She's a black leather trouser, a basic black staple crop that, may I add, you don't need to wear a bra with. Bra? Never heard of her. We got the little gold hoops. I've got my really cute little rings. You know how I feel about rings. So cute and so sparkly. I've also got the blue one on this hand. I've been struggling so much to find a pair of leather trousers that I'm obsessed with and fit me well. And the fit of these is just so nice. Appreciate the visions. I feel cool. Does anyone tell me I look cool? Blue baby, outdid yourself. I'm actually so lucky to have friends with such good style because if I ever need outfit advice, one FaceTime call away. Who fancies me? Who wants to take me on a date? Okay, I'm gonna have links to everything I showed in this little haul segment down below, as well as a discount code on screen here. So happy shopping, girls. Make sure you send me a DM or like tag me if you get anything, or if you even get any of these. Being hungover has never looked so good. Once again, massive thank you to Nasty Gal for working with me on a part of this video. I love ya. Now, food time. Ordering food when you're hungover can go one of two ways. First being you feel remarkably better. The second, you're lying on the bathroom floor in cold sweats. No, I did not just have a nap. Oh my god, my voice. This is horrific. I've got a face mask on because face masks heal everything. Bad skin, put a face mask on. Dry skin, put a face mask on. Bored, put a face mask on. Boyfriend's being a twat, put a face mask on. Coffee time. Yeah, I love this song. Yeah, my skin hates me, and honestly, I'd hate me too. I have slept in makeup for the last 2 nights. Another key essential for me, kombucha. I am going to have to get Lewys in my early 20s. Also guys, a tree. We got a tree. There's fairy lights in it. I need to do another flat updates video soon, but I've just been here, there and everywhere recently, and I've got loads of little bits in, but like no new really big bits. I'm also having the biggest saga of life trying to sort out my wardrobe room. Has anyone ever ordered with the IKEA pack system? Because that's what I was planning on like building my wardrobe with. I did the whole thing online where you like map everything out, white never in stock though. I've checked every single London store and they just never have the wardrobes in stock. Really cramping my style, babes. Really affecting the welfare of my clothes because they are just piled and piled and piled in that room. I don't even go in there. I put off going in there as much as I can because it's full of furniture boxes that I haven't even taken down to the bins yet. Is that a task for today? Will the smell of bins make me wretch? Potentially. But does thinking about that room also make me wretch? Correct. Caught myself out with that one. This one is for the party girls. Ahoy! When you have an afters and you have to clean up afterwards and it's just like your sink stinks of tequila. The boxes. The sun's out. Shame I will not be seeing it today. I'm feeling optimistic and the delivery app is coming up on my phone. Do I want to cook something? No, I really don't. I feel like I should get sushi or just something of some nutritional value. But then a pizza is also looking really sexy right now. What are your guys' go-to hangover foods? I feel like sometimes if I get a pizza or I get something like really greasy and heavy, yeah. Wasabi. I know Wasabi are doing new vegan salmon. Ooh. Right, we're gonna get the new Wasabi vegan salmon sushi. If there's one thing in this world I miss being veggie, it's fish. Raw salmon, sashimi, smoked salmon. I think about it a lot. I know I've spoken about this previously, but I've only ever had one good vegan salmon, which was from this little vegan restaurant place in Shoreditch I went to with Libya. I got this vegan salmon sashimi and I think about it every single day, love. Since then, I haven't been too successful on my salmon hunt. I tried this vegan salmon that you can just get in like Whole Foods and supermarkets. I retched. I put it in my mouth and I retched. Recording. Ding, hear that? Music to my ears, honey bee. I'm gonna have some vegan salmon in my mouth. What do I do in the meantime? Yoga? Who wants to see my party trick actually? Prepare to be blown away. And if you see tags on this jogger set, mind your damn business. Ugh, my toes. New trailer for the Exorcism movie incoming. Are you impressed? Ow, my muscles hurt. What other party tricks do I have? I can go like this. And then I can also do this thing with my eyes. Right. Who else can do this? Because I used to think I was the only person in the world that could do it, and it made me feel really special. I've since realised that I don't think it makes me that special at all. She is such an attention seeker. Okay, you ready? Ow, it kind of hurts. Apparently if you do it too much, they'll do that forever. That's what my mum used to tell me when I was growing up. Like, I realised I could do it when I was really, really, really little. And she took me to the opticians because of it, and they said they'd never seen it in their life. So, what's that TikTok where it's like, maybe I'm just not as interested as the girl you have before? I don't know. I'm not quite sad enough to listen to Olivia Rodrigo yet. Could never be me. Thank you. I always appreciate it when a delivery driver just leaves it outside the door. As little human interaction or contact as possible is my favourite. Okay, so this is what she's looking like. I mean, she's definitely replicating salmon energy. Please, babe, don't let me down on this one. Did you know, apparently you're supposed to have the ginger in between the sushi because it like cleanses your palate. I want to try it first without soy sauce so I can see. It doesn't smell like anything. One. It literally doesn't taste like anything. Maybe I need to try one of the rolls. Oh, for fuck's sake, Cleo, they put red cabbage in the rolls, and I don't like red cabbage in sushi because I think it's all you can taste. Wasabi babes, please, come on. We can do better than this. So I guess that is that. I'll update you when I do something else. So, update.
My boyfriend always compliments that one the most. My cheapest perfume. That's always an easy one.
I'm really happy about it. Spends all this money on a dining table. Still eats on the floor.
I haven't moved and I don't really have any plans of moving. So girls, on that note, that is the end of this YouTube video. A really weird one, I'm not gonna lie. I don't really know the purpose of this, but perhaps comforting in some weird way. I love you all so much. I think you're all sexy and fun and free and great, and I love you. And I got a new vase the other day. It looks like this. I got it on Etsy and it's leaking hairs everywhere. I love you so much. Don't forget to check out Nasty Girl, and you can download the Nasty Girl app as well. Have all the links to it in the description box. Drink water. Love you. Bye.